GoPro is squeezing my head. It's been a minute since I made a video, man. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, I made it. Oh, I'm in. But as y'all can see, I'm in a new car. I wanna make a video like around that, on the whole thing of my new car. I'm not in the old car anymore. If y'all do know Infinity, it's a Q50. Y'all can tell it's by the interior. Yeah, no, I thought I'd give y'all a little Q50 Pov Drive. It's not as loud as my old car, but you're gonna get it there. I do miss the V8 sound sometimes, not gonna lie. That little grrr. I'm not gonna talk, just Pov Drive. Oh, shit. What I hit my head on? Oh, my girl, she has a little, like, what's it called? My girl, she got this little, like, damn. Things dragging his nuts on the floor. But my girl, she got like these little claw clips. I don't know what they call it. I don't know the claw clips. Just like little, you know, what girls used to put their hair up. She got like two all over the. She got them all over the place. So hit the camera on that. But yeah, no, I want to bring a lot more like car-oriented videos around the Q50, because I know the Q50 and the Infinity, like, it sounds like a G35, G37. I know the Q50 is pretty popular, and I feel like it would be really good for the channel. So y'all stay tuned. I've been lacking a lot of my videos. I kind of went ghost. I had to like really log into school. I was letting my schoolwork pile up, and that guy, like, you know, when school's about to end in those 2 weeks, you just gotta clutch up. Yeah, that's basically what I'm going through right now. So I'm just clutching up and getting all my work in there before it ends. You know. Besides that, I just been working and chilling for real. Not chilling, but like, you know what I mean? Cause I've been hesitating to pick up the camera. Like, I'll charge it and put it in the back seat, and I'd be like, you know what? Tomorrow I'm gonna record a video. I get in my car and I'm like, yeah, I'll look at it. You know, we just kind of lock eyes, and I just leave it there. It sucks, because I want to do it, but I want to record it, but I don't do it. I don't know why. I'm just procrastinating. I keep telling myself I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and I don't do it. That's one thing I suck with that, and I suffer with that procrastination. But suck my balls in and put the camera up, and now we here. I got school at 6. I was gonna go eat with my girl right now. I'm gonna eat some IHOP. But yeah, no, that's a car. I mean, like I said, y'all see, I'll make another video of it, you know, Q50 walk around, so I can tell you more about the whole process of me getting my car. One thing different with this car and my old car was I never took the time to go get my other car tinted, and this car is real tinted, so I don't have to deal with the problem of people staring at me so hard. Unless they're in front of me, of course. Oh, my chest hurts. Oh. show y'all want to see pools. I'll give y'all a pool right now when I come to a stop. I was wondering, these cars got launch control. Like, I mean, really, any car you can launch it just by, you know, just put your foot on the brake and, you know, step on the gas and then let go of the brake. You know, really, it's technically that's kind of like launching it, but you know, like an actual launch control, I don't know. I'm gonna give you a little bit of sauce, some infinity sauce. I'm not gonna lie, from my old car though, from like my old car to this is definitely like a lot faster. Not the fastest car, but it was a good jump. Damn, traffic. I don't know if y'all can see it though, but oh my gosh, bro. Ever since I got this car, I don't know. Y'all know like the Q50 3.0 Ts, their scarediness on reliability, and people, you know, always complaining about it. So I'm kind of scared. I've been kind of babying it. I haven't really been like stepping on it. I step on it here and there. I have nothing really done to the car. This car's stock. Just some cosmetics. Fluid. Damn, can't speak. Fluid flush. I just drained my transmission fluid, oil change. That's really it, you know. But like actual cars, like performance mods, not yet, nothing yet. So I'm really excited to like, you know, y'all really starting from like point one with the car with me. Cosmetic wise, all I've done was just a lip and a LED light. I did that because I mean, the car looked like a grandma car, so like I feel like that just kind of differentiates me a little bit. But yeah, no, I don't know. I was thinking of just doing like a resonator muffler delete for now, but then I was like, man, I should just save money and get an actual exhaust. But yeah, no, y'all let me know.